Introduction. Make your home cozy. Everyone wants a cozy home, a place that feels like you. You don't need to spend lots of money. DIY projects are fun and easy. Let's transform your home together. Section 2. The joy of DIY, it's easier than you think. DIY projects can seem daunting at first, but once you get started, you'll find that they are not only manageable but also incredibly rewarding. DIY projects are great for many reasons. First, they save money. Instead of spending a fortune on store-bought items, you can create beautiful decor with minimal expense. You can use things you already have. Second, they are unique. Each piece you create will be one of a kind, reflecting your personal style and creativity. Your home will have its own personality. Lastly, DIY is fun. The process of making something with your own hands is incredibly satisfying. You can be creative and express yourself. Whether it's painting, crafting, or building, DIY projects allow you to explore your artistic side. Don't be scared to try DIY. Start with something simple. Even a small project can boost your confidence and inspire you to take on more complex tasks. You'll be surprised how easy it is. With a little patience and practice, you'll be able to create stunning pieces that you can be proud of, and how much you will love the result. The joy of seeing your vision come to life is unmatched. So gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and start your DIY journey today. Section 3. Project 1. Upcycled jars, endless possibilities. Let's start with an easy one, upcycled jars. We all have glass jars. Don't throw them away. Clean them and remove the labels. Now let's get creative. You can use jars to store things. Cotton balls in the bathroom, pens and pencils in the office. You can also paint them. Add some twine or ribbon. Now you have a beautiful vase. Section 4. Project 2. Fabric scrap garland, a pop of color. Do you like colors? If you do, this project is perfect for you. Let's make a fabric scrap garland. You need fabric scraps, which can be any leftover pieces from previous projects or old clothes you no longer wear. Gather your scissors and twine. These are the basic tools you'll need to bring your garland to life. Cut the fabric into strips. The strips can be as wide or as narrow as you like, depending on the look you want to achieve. Remember, they don't need to be perfect. The charm of this project lies in its imperfections. Tie each strip onto the twine. You can tie them close together for a fuller look, or space them out for a more airy feel. Feel free to use different colors and patterns. Mixing and matching can create a vibrant and eclectic garland. Make the garland as long or as short as you need. Measure the space where you plan to hang it to get the perfect length. Hang it on your mantelpiece, above your bed, or in a window. The possibilities are endless. It adds a touch of whimsy to any room. Whether it's a cozy living room, a playful kids' room, or a serene bedroom, this garland will bring a pop of color and joy. Section 5. Project 3. Twig picture frame, bringing nature home. In this project, we will explore how to create a beautiful and rustic picture frame using twigs collected from nature. This is a wonderful way to bring a touch of the outdoors into your home decor. Let's bring nature inside with a twig picture frame. Start by taking a leisurely walk in your local park or forest. As you stroll, keep an eye out for small, sturdy twigs that have fallen to the ground. This is a great way to enjoy the fresh air and connect with nature. Go for a walk and collect small twigs. Look for twigs that are relatively straight and free from any signs of decay. Collect a variety of sizes to add texture and interest to your frame. Once you have gathered enough twigs, bring them home and prepare them for the project. Make sure they are dry and clean. Remove any dirt or debris by gently brushing the twigs. Lay them out to dry completely, as any moisture can affect the glue's effectiveness. This step is crucial to ensure your frame lasts a long time. You will also need a plain picture frame and some glue. Choose a frame that complements the rustic look of the twigs. Gather your craft supplies, including a strong adhesive suitable for wood. Having everything ready will make the process smoother. Apply glue to the frame. Start by applying a thin layer of glue along the edges of the frame. Be careful not to use too much, as it can seep out and create a mess. Work in small sections to ensure the glue doesn't dry before you attach the twigs. Carefully arrange the twigs around the edges. Let it dry completely. Place the twigs in a pattern that you find visually appealing. Press them gently into the glue and hold them in place for a few seconds. Allow the frame to dry thoroughly before handling it further. Now you have a rustic frame for your favorite photo. This handmade twig picture frame adds a unique and personal touch to your home decor. display it proudly on a shelf, or give it as a thoughtful gift to a loved one. Enjoy the beauty of nature in your home every day. Section 6. Conclusion. Get creative and have fun. DIY home decor is all about having fun and being creative. Don't be afraid to experiment, use what you have, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Your home should be a reflection of you, so go ahead and make it beautiful.